Hi, Dan with Four Oaks Family Homestead. I'm out in the garden again today, doing second day of the sweet potato harvest. So I kind of want to bring you along with a more, just kind of showing you each plant, kind of what we get from each plant as we go along here. We have the rest of this row, goes all the way down to the end of this middle row next to it. I think there's about 15 or 18, somewhere around there, slopes left in the ground, and should be getting quite a few sweet potatoes out of this. I'm expecting about another 50 pounds, but you never know, so we'll see what happens. There could be more critters down here that were chewing on them or something. We noticed that there's a couple little spots where some potatoes had some either bug or like maybe vole pressure, but it wasn't bad. We just had a few with some issues. A lot of bumblebees still bumbling around over here. So there's one right there next to my leg. So lots of flowers. Here's some tomatillos that are kind of sprawling out in the middle of this thing. So I'll just see what we got here, and I just want to kind of bring you through it as I harvest here. So, all right, so here we are at the first little plant. Kind of dug next to it just to see if it was there. It is big. We had a big boy down here.
Big boy.
And just as last time, I did a lot of digging around it to try and find the
looks like a
spot.
carrot.
It's kind of like a carrot.
It's a really big carrot.
There she is. There's a little bit of either bug or vole pressure in the side of it here, but still nice thing. It doesn't have any, it's not soft anywhere. So that's good. First one, good size. There's my fist, a little bit bigger.
Over there.
Good deal. That is a good sized potato. Getting skunked. Tell you what, this side of the patch is a pretty big letdown from the other side. So I gotta figure out what I did differently over here versus over there and duplicate it. I'm guessing it was more open, less weeds, and more direct sunshine over there because it was a wider area versus a longer area. So I think that's what I'm gonna be working on next year.